Good day, all my TikTokers. This is a Group 7 train. But you have to stay until the end of this video. Because if you did not yet went into the $10 side hustle to earn a passive monthly growing income, then you're going to have the same problem like all the other months. When the debit orders is down, the bank account is a straight line. There's nothing left, only for that little. So to get into this $10 club, it's going to cost you 50 US dollars. Once off, only one time, only one time. And from there, it's going to cost you $10 per month. And then you will get your own personal business link. And all that you have to do with that personal link, you have to share it with people out there. And for those people that you share this link to, for everyone who's taking that link, you're going to earn 25 US dollars. So if you only have two people, just two people, that you can give this link to, and give these two people to this amazing company, you've got your 50 US dollars back in your pocket. And then it's going to cost you 180, the $10, about 180 Rand a month. And if you're going to give to one person, only one person for the whole month, you've got your $10 back. Because that one person is going to bring you in 25 US dollars. And from there on, you pay your monthly prescription with the people you share your link with. And that way, you can start growing a passive income, a passive growing income for life. As long as you pay your $10 prescription fee every month, you're going to have a passive growing income. It's your choice. Do you want to get financially better in 2026 than you had in 2025? Now is the time to start. There's so much on the internet and on social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Everywhere is this company. Go and have a look and see how much differences this money, this $10 club brought into people's lives. And you can be one of them. And that ping, 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 ping is not going to affect you because you know you have an extra income. So, please DM, not in the comments, DM me your WhatsApp number. And as soon as I receive your WhatsApp number, we go to WhatsApp and you look to this face. We go to video call. And I will tell you exactly how you can earn passively every month a growing US dollar income. Your choice. I'm waiting for you. And let's go with the group 7. So please, if you're on group 7 or you want to be on group 7, follow, comment, share, and repost to be a group 7. You guys must have one hell of a night. Great, great, great. And I can't wait to hear from you guys. Bye.